Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna explain a different scenario, so please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding SQL Server development, performance tuning as well as SSIS and also Power BI and DAX. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables we have imported to design this report on. So dim customer, dim geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory and internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding the relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. So click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse here, we can see that based on these two key columns, from the date table, dim date table, we have date column, and internet sales table, we have order date key. I have enabled the relationship, and also we can see that what kind of direction it is. It's like a one direction to many direction. It means that filter for application from the dimension table to the fact table. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship between the tables. We'll try to see more options that are available in the relationship, like how to detect automatic relationship or how to create manually. We'll try to see all kind of possible options in the upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to click on the report. Now we can see that this is the chart, this is the slicer, and this is also slicer. So for getting these three, I have created a separate table. I'll try to show that dynamic table. Go to the data columns, just click on here. So now we can see that total sales, total profit, and a total tax amount. So I have created these three values, and I'm using this all as a slicer. So here what I have done here, based on this selection, either total profit, total sales, total tax amount, so I need to display the values dynamically. Okay, for each month wise, if you want to see the total profit, so for currently we have selected total profit. So if you see each month wise, what is the total profit under this region? Okay, in the United Kingdom, so I want to see the each month wise what is the total profit. For example, if I click on total sales, so immediately we'll see the total sales for each month wise in the region wise. Okay, and also tax amount. Say it works dynamically. Even you can see that title also getting changed based on this selection. We are displaying the title dynamically. Now you can see total sales by month name, total tax amount by month name, total profit by month name. Even values also changing. You can select any region, whether you want to see the Australia, Canada, France in total profit. If you want to see total sales, we can select anything. It works dynamically. So we'll try to see what kind of measures I have created to get this and all. Okay, so first one is total sales. Try to zoom it. So total sales, I have used the calculate sum function, and also for total profit also same thing, only the column name has been changed. In the total sales amount, I have used the sales amount column, but here I have used the profit column, and also for getting the tax amount I have used the separate column. So remaining functions all same, only except column name is getting changed here. So for getting the dynamic values, like title name, I have used the selected value function. So it means that what are the value you have selected in that, whether it is sales amount or a tax amount of profit. So I'm just capturing and storing in a variable. So while returning that, I'm just concatenating. Okay, while returning, I'm just using the variable and concatenate by have given the hard coded value. Okay, so likewise we are going to display the dynamic title, and so So how the numbers are getting changed means, here I have used the switch function. So in the switch function, I have used the selected value function. So based on the what are the value you have selected in the slicer, if it is the total sales means execute this measure. If it is total profit means total profit measure. If it is the total tax amount means total tax amount measure, it will execute. So based on this selection, we are displaying the values here. So by using switch function, I have written the expression. So likewise, I have designed this report. So it works dynamically based on this selection. Even region, we can select anything also. So I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for other videos.